Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix authorization pending awaiting authorization from the Epic Games launcher error. So if you're getting this error in Grand Theft Auto 5 in Epic Games, then here follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, first check the Epic Games server status. So go to this down detector website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you are on this down detector website, scroll down and then here check the server status. I can see that many of the players have reported the server outage issues for the Epic Games. So if their server status is online having outage or under maintenance, then you have to wait for the Epic Games server status to get back online and then you can check. Now if the Epic Games server status is online and if still you are facing this problem, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to rename the Rockstar Games folder in documents and change DNS server. Now please take a note, renaming the Rockstar Games folder will delete the saved setting. So you can keep the backup of the Rockstar Games folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open the File Explorer. Then on the left click on Documents and here you will find the Rockstar Games folder. First copy it and paste it to desktop to keep the backup. And after keeping the backup, right click on it and then click on Rename. And you can rename it to any name. For example, you can rename it to old and then change the DNS server. So to do so in Windows search type Control Panel and open it and then click on View Network Status and Task. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi and then click on Properties and then select Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on Properties. Now check mark use the following DNS server addresses. And in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK. Now you can open the Epic Games launcher and then launch the GTA 5 and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fixed to by launching game from the Epic Games launcher. Now to do so, open the Epic Games. And once the Epic Games get launched, disconnect your Wi-Fi and then go to library and then launch the GTA 5 by clicking the launch button next to GTA 5. I am showing the example with another game. So click on this launch next to GTA 5 and once the game is loading, then you can connect your Wi-Fi. And once the Wi-Fi get connected, close the GTA 5 and then again go to Epic Games launcher and go to library and only launch the GTA 5 game from the Epic Games launcher and not from the desktop icon. This will probably fix the issue. So that's all for this video. By following these fixes, you can easily solve authorization pending awaiting authorization from Epic Games launcher error in GTA 5 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.